A supermarket is selling tinned beans for 40 cents off. This is a discount of 8%. How much did the beans originally cost? So here what they're saying is they're selling at a discount of 8%, and that 8% is nothing but 40% off. So this is a tricky sentence to read. Okay, so this basically means 8% is 40 cents. Let's read the question again. A supermarket is selling tinned beans for 40 cents off. So they're taking off 40 cents and they are saying that is 8% discount of the original. So basically they're asking you what's 100%. So many times it's important to understand what they're asking. So to find the original cost, you have to find 100%. So you know 8% is 40 cents. So I want to find 100%. So I'm going to use proportion. Okay, so what is 4%? Use your logic. If 8% is 40 cents, 4%, how is 4% related with 8%? Well, you can easily see 4% is half of 8%. So this will be 20 cents. Okay, so here what you have done is, if you divide 8 by 2, you'll get 4%. You do the same thing here, divide by 2. So there are two types of people, one who can think in a proportional manner and the other is who can't think. Okay, there are only two types of people. So if you like to think in a proportional or a logical way, maths is your subject. So now I want to find 100%. So you should be good in a times table. 4 goes in 100 how many times? So well, 4 times 25 is 100. So you do the same thing here, times 25. So 20 times 25. So I don't know 20 times 25. So what can I do? Do you know 2 times, or this is same as, 20 times 25 is what you want to find. Okay, I don't know 20 times 25. This is same as 25 times 20. Okay, I also don't know 25 times 20. But do you know 25 times 2? 225 gives you 50. So 25 times 20 would be 500 cents. Okay, so this is 500 cents. So 500 cents is nothing but $5. So the original cost is $5. Okay, let's look at one more question. Daryl dad says he can either have 3/10 of the cake or 28% of it. Which amount is bigger? So you have got 3/10 or 28%. Okay, so well, 28% is percent is out of 100. This is, see, this you can percent, you can also see as 1. This is 1, which is a bit nasty way of writing 1. 100 is out of 100. Percent has come from the word per cent. Percent means every cent. Every cent means cent stands for, has come from the word century. So every 100. This means every 100. So 28% is 28 out of 100. And 3/10, I want to change this as 100. So well, 10 times 10 is 100. So you do the same thing to the top number. So this is 30 out of 100. So 30 out of 100 is greater. This is the notation of greater. I've had students who say who haven't understood the notation. This is greater. Simple way to remember is this is the greater part and this is the smaller part of this sign. Okay, so this is facing the smaller number and this bigger part is facing the bigger number. So 30 out of 100 is greater than 28 out of 100. Okay, so the bigger amount in this case bigger amount is obviously, or in other words, 3 out of 10, this is nothing but 30%. 30 out of 100 is 38%. Bigger amount is 3/10 because 3/10 is 30%.